Hey guys, good morning. Guys, I would like to ask, what kind of fruit is this? Is this edible? Like, look at that. It's look like cherries, but very hard man siya, guys. Oh, ano man siya, guys? Very hard to touch. See, and then daghan kay siya bunga, guys. Grabe gid. Pindot kay siya tan-awon. Very nice. So comment down below if you know what kind of fruit is this. But I don't think we can eat this one because it's very hard, and it's maybe for we can use as a design. Maybe it's a good design for a Christmas tree since Christmas is coming, right? So comment down below if you know what types of fruit or plants is this. What's the name? For me it looks like cherry. Yan. Very oh my god, guys, may uod, guys. Yan. So yan, guys, look at my farm. This is my farm here. Charot lang, hindi sa akin yan, sa kaibigan ko. Charot lang. Yan, guys. Welcome to my vlog. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Our YouTube channel, it's Mary Ann Obregon and forn.official. FORN.official. It's my account for my YouTube channel, guys. So yun, guys, napadaan lang.